How can you remove the mirror effect on iPhone? Let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials coming up and I believe you're going to find them useful. So the mirror effect is when you take a look at your front camera and snap a photo. The photo might be either flipped like a mirror or it might stay as you see it. And this gets managed inside of the settings app, camera, and one of the toggles is mirror front camera. So I keep mentioning in my videos that there, of course, isn't any right or wrong answer because some people ask like, how am I supposed to have it? Well, it depends on what you like. So just make sure to turn it on, take a selfie, and if you like it, keep it that way. If not, then return back, turn it off, and then you will prefer that way of taking photos. So that is the best way to do this. On the other hand, you should also know that existing photos, which may or may not have been flipped, can be managed. So you can go to your Photos app, tap on the Edit, like that, then go to the Crop tool, and in the top left corner, you have the ability to flip it, right? So you can literally make the mirror flip inside of the Photos app for already captured photos. And that way you can decide how exactly you want to have it, then click on Done and save it with the applied changes. So even if you had it set wrong for the initial photos, you can always change it later in the gallery. So that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later.